It's late in the evening, the end of the news is near. She snuggles up to me and asks if I want a beer. And then I tell her as I turn on the lights, I say yes, I feel like getting drunk tonight. Ooh, yeah. We go to a party and she says she has to pee, but I didn't hear her, 'cause I was telling her I had to pee. And then she tells me as I stumble to my right, I says, yes, I'll just meet you back here in 5. And I said, you're wonderful, you read my mind, I'll see you back here in 5. If you want to, when we get back, I think we should get high. And she said me too. Yeah. It's time to go home now, so I grab another Stroh's and throw her the car keys. And she's like, how'd you get those? And then I tell her, hey, you wanna do it tonight? It's the third car on the right. I know, baby, we'll just do it in the bushes tonight. And then she corrected my grammar and we got in a fight.